So how are you going to make 81% on Tesla year after year within the next 3 years? How are you going to do that? Well, you got to connect the dots and then you'll understand it completely. It's all about this new robo-taxi that Tesla is going to make. Tesla's come out with some very interesting statements recently. First was Elon said that Tesla will be a $10 trillion company. How's he going to do that? He's going to need your help. He's going to need your help to do it. And I'm going to explain in this video how you can help him and make a minimum of 81% return on your investment year after year by working with Tesla to make it a $10 trillion company. No, this is not Kathy Woods, and this is not investing in Tesla stock. This is investing in Tesla. Okay? I'll explain that right after and make sure you totally understand this is not financial advice. This is financial education, and it's being brought to you by Kerry and Best of Us Investors. We have a website where we teach people how to invest, where we get to ask them, look beyond the obvious and put your mind to it and understand it and learn what you're investing in and learn who you're investing in and then make good investment decisions. You can find that on the bus at Best of Us Investors. But right after this disclosure, I want to tell you how you can make 81% on an investment in Tesla within the next 3 to 5 years. Every year you can make that. Be right back.
Best of Us Investors presents Kerry Griegmeyer.
Okay, I'm going to explain to you an investment opportunity that you've probably never heard of before. I mean, you've watched a lot of videos on Tesla, but never anybody tell you that you could get a return of 81% every year. I'm going to explain it to you, but in return for that, first, you've got to like this video, and you've got to subscribe to this video, and then you've got to consider getting on the bus. But let's get at it. Here's the breakdown from Elon himself. You're going to make $100,000 a year by subscribing into Elon's robo-taxi network. You're going to pay $47,400 for the car. That's your original investment. You're going to pay a maintenance fee of $26,500. That's so that your car can be charged and maintained on a 24-hour basis and 7 days a week, 52 weeks a year. That's how you're going to generate the $100,000. That's going to give you, after you subtract the cost of the car and the maintenance, $26,100 in income. You're then going to sell the car back to Elon for $12,500, or you might be within a local network who can get you more than that. But you will net $38,600 return on investment. Do the math. That's 81%. This is your business opportunity. This is something like investing in real estate, but you don't have to maintain it. You don't have to go get renters. You become a part of this network. What does that mean? That means when I get off the plane and I want to go home, I don't call Uber and I don't call Lyft. I call Elon. I call the network, and out of a warehouse, an abandoned warehouse right beyond the airport, someone, maybe it's you, maybe it's me, has organized these cars of local individuals who bought the cars, and we dispatch it to the airport and pick me up and take me home, and I pay my $25, and that comes to you. That comes to you after you pay the maintenance and fees. That's how you get the $38,600. Now, you can do it just by buying one car, or you can buy two cars, or you can buy all the cars, own the warehouse, and have a thriving business, which is going to give you not only the $38,000, but you'll also pick up the $26,500 in maintenance fees. This is investing. This is something you've heard nowhere else. Because nobody thinks like I do. Nobody's had the experience. Nobody reads and then gives the information openly so that you can make a better investment decision. Okay, let's compare it. Let's look at what would your $47,400 be worth if you invested in, let's say, a treasury, 4%, if you're lucky. How about the stock market? Well, the S&P will give you about 11%. The Dow will give you about 6%. But wait, That's compared to 81%. If I just buy the car and turn it over to the network, yeah. You could buy a house. You could buy a house for $470,400, and you aren't going to get an 81% return on it. No, you're not. So you got a choice here. The first choice is start putting the money together. So in 3 years, when Elon says, I need some cars, you'll go buy a car for $47,400. You'll put it in the network, and you'll make 81% on your money. It's simple. All you have to do is connect the dots. This is where we're going. Well, who's going to use those cars? Well, Kerry coming back from the airport will. Or if I live in New York or London or Los Angeles, where their cabs are being used 24 hours a day, that'd be a good place to own a car. I could live in Birmingham and have a car in London or Barcelona. I could have it anywhere I want it. I might even have it in Shanghai. Connect the dots. This is the opportunity that Elon is going to present to you. I know I have said it's a car company and car companies don't make money. But I realized by reading some articles and coming to an understanding and doing the math that Tesla is a technology company and it's an investment company that gives me the opportunity to get an extraordinary return on my investment. So if I'm a young individual right now, maybe what I want to do is me and my significant other put $6,000 a month or a year into a Roth IRA, okay? And we accumulate our $47,600 over a period of time. And now, when this network becomes available, I buy that Tesla and I keep it in my Roth IRA, and it generates tax-free income at the rate of 81% a year. Does that make sense? Is it legal? Is 81 a guaranteed number? No. Elon may ask for a 10% override or maybe even a 15. I don't know. But where else can you do the math and come up with that? Okay? This is an opportunity. This is what I bring to you. This is what Best of Investors is all about. It's not about putting money in T-bills. Right now, we have a Bus 13 that is rebuilding the internet to accommodate AI and machine learning. We've got to rebuild it. Then we have Bus 12, where we're putting companies in there who are going to deliver you and I AI. Tesla's one of them. They are going to deliver you AI in many forms. So that's how you invest. Then what is most important, and I mean this, on a stock call, I had a guy come on and say, hey, this is a big investment opportunity. I said, let's dig into it and see. Are they making any money? No. Are their revenues going up or down? Down. Have you met the CEO and the CFO? Where would I meet the CEO and CFO? By going to their quarterly earnings call. And if you go to Seeking Alpha, and there's a link in Seeking Alpha, you can not only read the transcript, you can listen to their voices and learn who they are. You can look up their picture and see who they are. If you were investing in a company in your community, that's what you do. You go see the CEO and the CFO and you talk to them. Are you making any money? Are your sales going up or down? And let me look at your books. That's what you do. Well, don't do anything less for investing your hard-earned money into stocks. Come to Best of Us Investors. I'll teach you how to do this. It's on our website. I'll give you step-by-step of how to make good investment decisions. Don't get involved in the pump and dump of talking heads like me. Do some work. Join a team. Come to an understanding. Go to their stock talk on Friday and ask questions and expect answers. That's what Best of Us Investors is all about. That's what we're building, smart investors. Join us, get on the bus, and I'll see you next Friday.